French press coffee maker 4-level filtration system 304 grade stainless steel, heat-resistant borosilicate glass by Café Du Chateau, 34 ounce. Café Du Chateau combines elegance and utility into a beautifully crafted French press. With more than 30,000 satisfied customers, Café Du Chateau is your trusted source for brewing like a barista. We source only the finest quality materials for lasting performance. Unlike our competitors, we use a 4-level filtration system to ensure no coffee grinds or unpleasant muddiness reach your mug for the perfect brew every time. At Café Du Chateau, we're committed to giving you an unparalleled brewing experience. Our stunning European-inspired press comes with a complete, detailed and easy-to-use brewing guide on how to make the perfect cup of coffee. You'll savor the deep roasted flavor, full body and subtle notes of your favorite beans or pressed leaves from your very first cup. Café Sylvaus Plate, Coffee Please, Coffee Press. Our 4-level filtration system utilizes double stainless steel screen filters on a durable plunger supported by a spring-loaded base plate to seal the edges, followed by a final top lid strainer to give you a pure brew with no grounds. Perfect French press coffee every time. Only the finest materials, every metal piece is 304 grade stainless steel providing a resilient shine and rust protection. The borosilicate glass carafe can withstand boiling water, lifetime replacement guarantee. If anything happens to your original Café Du Chateau coffee French press, we will send you out a replacement for free. BPA-free, all individual materials surpass food drink grade quality requirements with certified lab tests. BPA-free plastic lid strainer, 304 food grade rated stainless steel, thermal resistant coffee press glass, 8 cup. French coffee press brewing guide, detailed coffee brewing guide and brewer manual accompanies. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.